Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and today we're going to do a makeup look that showcases pink lipstick because this has been asked for before on my channel. I first start with skin prep. I always do this with every makeup application. I use the Innbeauty Project Extreme Cream almost as a primer. I did not use any other primer this time. I also use the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. I spray a coat all over evenly on my face. And I'm also going to go ahead and do brows. I generally do brows the very first step because I like to see how they frame my face before I go in with eyeshadow or any other makeup like contour. It's pretty important that you balance your face, and I know some people may disagree. There are people who have no eyebrows. For example, Jeffree has so light eyebrows that they almost don't show up at all. So again, it's everyone's preference, but I feel like it's a really good place to start if you do eyebrows. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Whiz and Benefit 24-Hour Brow Gel to set them in place. So next, I decided to go in and do lips. I can't remember the color of this, but it is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Lip Liner. And it's like this brown tone, which is not the right color for the lipstick I'm using today, but it was because I don't have a pink lip liner. So that might be something I'll have to invest in the future. And now for this lipstick, I'm going to have to run up and get the name of it. I do not have the name, but it is a MAC lipstick. And the finish of it is almost a matte. And you'll see me sniffing it because MAC lipstick smells so good. I don't know what it is about the scent, but it's like your traditional lipstick smell, but it's like almost like a hint of creamy vanilla. I don't know, but I put on quite a thick layer of this lipstick and I did take it with me throughout the night so that I could touch it up. So I quickly added some liner to my waterlines. I used the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in black, and then we went in with concealer. So again, I've been sticking with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch shade 10 because this is the closest to my skin tone right now. I am coming out of summer and my skin is slowly fading from my tan, but my forehead is still always darker. So because I've been in this phase of just using concealer, no foundation right now, I've really been enjoying that. So what I'll do is I go in with my cheeks and I contour and I bronze so it kind of matches my forehead because I'm trying to get that even skin tone from the top of my head to my chin. So now I'm using probably my favorite contour bronzer palette ever. It also has a good highlighter. You can't buy this anymore, unfortunately, but it is the Tarte Tartiest Pro Glow contour palette. And it comes with a cream shade, and then it comes with a bronzer on top, and then it's got a whole bunch of highlight shades. But some of those highlight shades are almost like glowy enough to be like a cool light bronzer. And they're just so pretty. And the top highlight in the palette is the one I used today. And it has got to be my favorite highlight out of all of the highlights I own, even more so than Mary Lou by the Balm. And you guys know, like I've already hit pan on that one. So yeah, this definitely, I tend not to reach for this that often. And I don't really know why, because honestly, it is one of my favorites. I do really enjoy fall makeup because I do start to use more contour than in summer. Summer is definitely more bronze, and that's usually it. But fall winter makeup is totally all about contour for me, and I just love it so much. So I am going with like pink lips and pink cheeks, but I do a heavy contour, and I also am doing a brown shadow look today. So for the cheeks, I'm using my Pat McGrath Bridgerton Blushing Delights blush palette. I'm going full in with the bright pink colors, so the berry and the pink, and I'm trying to match my lips as much as I can. I'm kind of making it look like I'm, coming in from a cold day outside. That's usually what my cheeks look like. So then I go in with my highlighter, so we're going to highlight on top of that blush, and then right after this we go in with the Jeffree Star Shadow Palette. So now for the life of me, again, I can't remember which palette I used. Like when I was editing this video yesterday, I was like, okay, what is the name of this? It's one of the new ones, Gothic Beach. There we go. So I knew it was going to come to me sooner or later. But usually what I do is write a description of my makeup down below. And so you'll always be able to tell what I'm using in the video. And also, if you do see me singing in this video, it is because I was listening to music in the background. I had to do this video fast. I think this was Saturday when I went to karaoke, and we were running late that day. We ended up going swimming really late, and we had a whole bunch of errands to run. So we got home at like 7:47, and I was doing my best to make this a quick makeup look. I think it ended up taking about 40 minutes altogether. So with the editing and stuff and me speeding it up, it comes to about 10 minutes. But seriously, I was rushing here. So first, I'm building up the crease with the browns in the palette. And I think I just stuck to browns because, I don't know, like even though I'm not a huge neutral fan, I've really been stuck on neutrals this season, especially the warm brown tones. Have just been like calling my name. So what I did here is I lined all the way around my eyes with the shadow, and then I buffed it out really, really nicely. And you'll see that beautiful gradient. I even used my brush to blend it out a little bit more. And then I'm going in with the sparkly brown shadow and I'm tapping it all over my lid. So I'm using my setting spray here just to give the emphasis a little bit more on the sparkle. If you want to pick up on sparkle in shimmer shadows, best way to do it is either add water or a setting spray. And it's amazing. So I'm showing you there which color I'm using, putting this all over the lid, and I think I just let it dry down. Sometimes I'll blend them out, but I don't think I did in this look. So I'm touching up my lipstick again because apparently I feel like I need more pink lipstick. And then we're going in with my liquid liner. So of course I'm going to be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex Black Liquid Liner. It is my absolute favorite, hands down. The mascara I'm using in this video, which I don't show, is the Panarama by Loreal. And then I've got these lashes. For the life of me, I cannot remember which they're called, but I got them on Amazon and they're really cheap. I think it was like $15 for a pack of 15. So it's like $1 per lash pair. Super affordable, and they don't look half bad. The band is really thick and you have to really flex the band while you put them on, but it looks amazing. So I finished the look with my setting spray, the One Size On Till Dawn. I love this. So I went ahead and I added the liner and then I added mascara. And then before I start putting lashes on, I took my little mini highlighter brush to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. Again, I'm using my Tarte Tartiest Pro Glow palette. Like I said, that highlighter is amazing. I wish that you could buy it again, but I don't know where you could buy it. You could check the Tarte website, and I believe the shade is Strobe. So they might have that same color in a different formula, because I know Tarte likes to change the formulas up every now and then. So I would go and take a look on their website. And you can also find Tarte products at Ulta, I believe. So check Ulta, Sephora, and then Tarte website themselves. And actually, the Tarte website is super affordable. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe, click on the bell button, and I will see you guys in the next one.